Did want to remind everyone about our subscription service for EMAC. And I'm bringing this up today because I think with all the fantastic talks about different tools across a wide range of different topics yesterday, many folks might be interested in continuing to learn about new tools in different categories, science categories, as they get posted to EMAC. So I think Ted mentioned this yesterday, but I wanted to bring this up again to folks. You can subscribe to get email alerts about new tools that are posted to EMAC, either on a digest system like daily or weekly or immediately. And you can click just the science categories that you might be interested in. If you're only interested in new tools focused on 1D atmospheric models or on radiative transfer for direct imaging of exoplanets, or for fitting of astrometry data, you can just receive alerts when only those types of tools are posted to EMAC, and you can only receive them daily or weekly in this sense. So I think this is really valuable. We currently don't have a lot of people listed as subscribers. We have something on the order of 50 to 60 people. So that suggests that maybe people aren't necessarily, taking advantage of this service that EMAC can provide. So take a look at the website for EMAC and subscribe.